like you, that bitch, I do it all, and I'm around, you scared to do. I'm not. As long as you joking now here for me, I ain't got it. Mobbing, scheming, looting, I ain't your body. As long as you.
Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me?
So I started off with a clean scalp. I did wash my hair earlier and just blow dried it off camera. Second thing you want to do is just section where the side part is going to be. We made sure there's enough hair there. Then you braid that down. Now you want to separate your leave out hair, and I went all around my head like so. It doesn't matter if the lines are not that straight, they can be slightly crooked because of course you're doing this by yourself. So yeah, give yourself a break and just part as in how you could be. You can see from the back here my line is a bit crooked, but anyhow we did try go in once again just to try straighten that out, but to be honest some lines were slightly crooked. So you want to braid down your leave out hair so it could be out of the way when you're actually doing your sew in.
You'll try to come back when you faint. I always wanted to, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hit me up when you make it. You'll try and come back when you're famous. I always wanted to, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop.
braided the hair into cornrows vertically and then joined them horizontally. I went in with an oil to moisturize my scalp.
Tired of being patient. What the fuck you waiting for? Yeah. It's a lot of niggas hate, and I don't entertain them. But damn, you gotta give me more. If you don't want it like me, I can think about 100 things I could be doing right now. No wasting my time with you. Okay, since you gotta have it your way, I'ma start that clock on you. We gon' see what's up when a nigga pull up on me. Tell the nigga, baby, don't you know I love these niggas? Wish these niggas back. I'm just saying, boy, you playing, you gon' let it wind up. You got 24 seconds and it's starting right now.
Sewing on the wefts onto the cornrows horizontally and then cutting them at a point, because I'm not doing the flip over method, because that's kind of hard, especially if you're doing this on yourself. I find it easier just to cut at the end. Yeah.
All in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body.
Gonna go ahead and continue sewing horizontally until I reach the crown. So all wefts are actually put in, and this is what it's looking like. And now about that levered hair, we're just going to undo that and style that.
How long can you go, baby? At last to my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I can check in with you.
I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always wanted to, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not baby. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hit me up when you make it. Try and come back when you're famous. I always wanted to, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop. step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's